Hi, today I'm board with me Galaxy M14 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to connection section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click on the switcher, tap on Wi-Fi settings. Also, you can use switcher from here. After that, we'll see here all the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. To see the password, we should click here to this eye icon to have no some mistakes. After that, just tap to connect. Wait a second. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. You can use another network by the same way, enter the password, tap to connect, and after that to switch between these networks. Just to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click here on the switcher and that's it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel shortcuts and here just tap on the Wi-Fi switcher to activate or to turn off the Wi-Fi. And if you want to launch Wi-Fi settings from here, hold for a while this icon and after that just you can change all of the settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.